everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the full workflow starting from model panels and moving into project outputs such as detailed drawing, schedules, and data export can be used for ERP integration. And in this previous video, I have created the model panel for all the rooms. And the next step is to generate elevation view by clicking this button. And in this window, I can choose where to play elevation marker, set the left and right margin, and decide whether to keep existing user annotations. And finally, I click OK. Okay. And right here, we can see that elevation markers have been created for rooms. And the view direction, rough region, view depth, and margin are calculated from the model panel data. Now let's open this elevation view. And here all the dimension and tasks have been created based on the customer requirements. The next step is to create detailed drawings from each elevation, and to do that I will use create drawings command. And I can adjust floor plan scale, elevation scale, detail scale, or whether to create plan view or create elevation in detail. And there are also options to keep existing seat annotation, keep the view order, use pin detail, or manual control the elevation order. And after I click OK, chopsoft generate the drawing package from Revit data. And let's review the result. On the floor plan, the elevation view have been numbered automatically, so the team can easily identify and navigate to each elevation. In the elevation views, the related detail references have been also created and linked to their corresponding components. Here we can see the detail generated for this component. And this detail is selected based on the model configuration, such as the profile type, insert thickness, floor condition, and CEMIX setting. And the detail is played automatically, so the team does not need to manually search for the correct detail and places one by one. And in the project browser, chopsoft had organized the generated drawing, including plan views. And here we can split it into smaller views, but I will cover that in another video. And these elevation drawings, and finally these details drawing with all consistent naming and numbering. And finally, this can be printed or exported to PDF. And for example, I can export the design drawings. Okay. Choose the name and click OK. And chopsoft export the selected sheet to PDF. You can see here, including elevation drawings, detailed drawing. Okay. And now I will go back to Revit and create these schedules. This is one of the most common function customers need because it helps them review and manage project data. And after I click create schedule, chopsoft generate the schedule table required by the customer, like hardware schedule and door schedule. Okay, door schedule here. And glass panel schedule. Okay. And all of these schedule are customized to match the customer workflow and reporting format. Final, the customer also needs to export the schedule for their ERP system, and in this case, the schedule are exported to Excel file, and those file can be imported into their ERP system. Okay, successful right here. And now let's check the Excel file has been exported. Okay, here is the last table schedule. You can see. And next, go to door insert schedule. And this complete the workflow from create drawing schedule and PDF and Excel file for ERP integration. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next one.